In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DDE Server Window OneDrive.exe application error in Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. This error usually pops up when OneDrive's background process gets stuck or corrupted, and it can prevent the app from opening or syncing properly. We'll walk through a clean sequence to stop the stuck processes, reset the app, run a quick repair if it's available, and then restart to confirm everything is back to normal. Follow along on a Windows 11 PC. First, open Task Manager and close every OneDrive process that's currently running. Press Ctrl, Shift, and SC together to launch Task Manager. If you see the compact view, click More Details so all processes are visible. In the Processes tab, look for OneDrive or Microsoft OneDrive. You might see multiple entries, including background processes. Select each OneDrive entry and choose End Task. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your files or disable syncing permanently. It only stops the stuck processes so we can perform a clean reset in the next step. Now let's reset OneDrive. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run box. Type exactly OneDrive.exe/reset and press Enter. Make sure there's a space before the slash. You won't get a big confirmation message. Instead, the OneDrive cloud icon in the taskbar may disappear for a moment and then reappear as OneDrive reloads. Give it up to a minute. This reset clears the app's cached state and often resolves the DDE server window issue by starting the OneDrive.exe process fresh. Next, open the Windows settings to check if you can run a quick repair through the app entry. Press the Windows key, open Settings, then go to Apps. In the search box within Apps, type Microsoft OneDrive. Select it, and if you see a Modify button, click it. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the modification or repair. On some systems, this brings up a small repair wizard that refreshes OneDrive's core files without touching your content or your synced folders. If Modify isn't shown on your device, that's okay. The reset we did is often sufficient. To wrap up, restart your computer. A full reboot clears any lingering handles or shell hooks related to the DDE server window message. After the restart, sign back into Windows and watch for the OneDrive cloud icon to appear in the taskbar. Open OneDrive to confirm it launches without the error and verify that your files begin syncing normally. That's it. By ending the running processes, resetting OneDrive, using Modify if it's available, and then restarting, you should have cleared the OneDrive.exe application error on Windows 11.